Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So in this video I would like to talk about how to learn vocabulary faster and how to you will remind the vocabulary longer. All the time we try to memorize the vocabulary, right? And we are very worried, we are very thankful. All time we think that I have to remind the vocabulary, I have to memorize the vocabulary, right? You are doing the same thing every day, right? You are trying to learning English every single day, but you are trying to memorizing the vocabulary, memorizing the verb. You are so much worrying right now memorizing the vocabulary, but you forget. What can you do? You can do many things. So in this video I'd like to share you most important things. If you follow that rule, if you follow that secret, I'll say it's a secret. So most of the people doesn't say this secret. This is the hidden secret for you. So don't forget the secret. This secret will be best for you. What is the secret? The secret is try to learn all the time phrases, never learn single word. Like that, eat. You don't have to memorize all the time. Eat. Eat means eat. You don't memorize single word. Eat. Single word. Fish. No. Single word. Go. No. Never. Never learn single word. Forget the system. So what you have to do, instead of memorizing that kind of system, that kind of vocabulary, try to follow different techniques, different rules. That is, you can take a vocabulary like this, eat. You can say that I eat rice. I eat rice. I don't eat rice. I eat puff rice. I don't eat puff rice. I eat potato. I don't eat potato. So you can use your body while speaking. Like that's go. That means I go. I go. And most of the time you can say run. I run quickly. And I go. I come. So like this, using your body, all time you can make sentence. Listen. I listen. English. I don't listen you. I don't listen you. I listen you. Speaking. I'm speaking. I'm speaking. I'm speaking. I'm speaking. I'm talking. I'm talking. Okay? And I'm looking. Looking. I'm looking. In such a way you can speak English. In such a way you can learn English. So if you act like this to speaking English, so you will never forget the vocabulary. You will never forget the word. You will never forget, never. So never try to learn single word, try to learn that way. I'm looking for you. Looking, that means look. I'm looking to you. I'm eating. I'm running. Run. Single word is run. I'm running. Single word is go. I'm going. Single word is come. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. So like this. So in this way you can practice English in your reading room. It's very important and it works. 100% it works. And if you do that in your reading room, if you do that in the outside, try to memorizing the vocabulary. It doesn't work. So don't try to memorize the vocabulary. All time use your body. Then sit down, that means sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up. I sit down slowly, I stand up slowly, I sit down slowly, I stand up slowly. Try to work with the vocabulary. Try to act with the vocabulary. Then you can remind the vocabulary. It will be save your memory. It will be deep learning. So try to deep learning. Okay, if you try to deep learning, if you try to act like this with the vocabulary, with the verb, you will never forget the vocabulary. This is the system. This is our secret system. Try to do that. It will work. 100% it will work. So my dear viewers, it is the hidden secret for you today to make sentence. Using this system, using your body while speaking, you can speak and you can remind the vocabulary. All the time you are trying to memorizing the vocabulary in your classroom, in your reading room, in your study room, from your textbook, from the newspaper, for different place. You are trying to memorizing the vocabulary all the time, and after some days you forget. So it doesn't work. Try to make this habit and try to act with the vocabulary. It will work, 100% work. So my dear viewers, from the Natural Studio, again I would like to thank my honorable all the viewers. So I will see you very soon with another video. Take care. Special one things, and if you find this video is very helpful for you, so never forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you want. So if you want and if you hit the like button, I will be more inspired and I will try to make the video. I'll be more inspiration. So help me to make the video again. Take care. I will see you with another video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.